I'm Mike and this is Cast Tech Tips. Today we're going to go over how to remove a chuck from one of our seamers. When you're doing this, it's either time to replace the chuck or you're just doing a good old-fashioned cleaning on your seamer. The tools you're going to need are a drift punch and a hammer. But before you do anything, it's important to note that a chuck has a reverse thread pattern, so it's actually going to loosen off when you hit it to the right. So just remember, righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. What we're going to do is take this punch, put it in one of these circular notches, and give it a good hit with a hammer. Just take care not to hit it straight on, as you will damage the bearings on the chuck. So drift punch in the notch, good hit with the hammer, and that should loosen that chuck off. If it doesn't come off after a few good hits, it's a good idea to take some hot caustic solution in a can and let it soak overnight before trying again. If it still doesn't come off, now's a good time to call us on our tech line here. Until next time, have a good one.